काँग्रेसीचो ज्येष्ठ फुडारी गुलाम नबी आझाद हाणें काँग्रेसीक शुक्रारा दिल्ली सोडचीट सगळ्यात दुर्दैवी आनी खेदजनक घडणूक अशें काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी जयराम रमेश हाणें म्हटलें. जेन्ना काँग्रेसीन भाजप सरकाराच्या दरवाड आनी बेरोजगारी आड आवाज उठोवपाचो निश्चय केलो तेन्नाच आझाद हांचे कडल्यान सोडचीट येवप ही खूब निर्शेवणी गजाल अशें जयराम रमेश हाणें म्हटलें.
We have read the letter of very senior veteran Congress leader Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad ji that has been released to the media. It is most unfortunate and most regrettable that this has happened when the Congress President, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, and the entire Congress party organization across the country is engaged in confronting, combating, fighting the BJP on issues of महंगाई, on issues of berozgari, and on issues of polarization. The entire Congress party organization in the last couple of weeks has been involved in preparing for the Mehngai Par Halla Bol rally at Ramlila Maidan on September 4th, which will be addressed by Shri Rahul Gandhi ji. So at a time when every congressman and every congresswoman is involved in ensuring that the Mehngai Par Halla Bol rally will be a success, and every congressman and congresswoman wants to be a Bharat Yatri, wants to walk along with Shri Rahul Gandhi ji on this 3,500 kilometer long Bharat Jodo Yatra. It's most unfortunate, most regrettable that at this point of time we have had to read this letter that has been released to the press. That's all we want to say for the moment.